Dairy farming equipment technology has transformed the way modern dairy farms operate, propelling the industry into a new era of efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. From advanced milking systems to intelligent herd management software, these technological marvels have revolutionized every aspect of dairy farming. Picture a state-of-the-art robotic milking system seamlessly guiding cows into position, milking them with precision, and analyzing their milk quality in real time. Combine that with smart sensors tracking the cow's health, activity, and reproductive cycles, enabling farmers to make informed decisions for optimized herd management. These cutting-edge innovations not only streamline operations, but also improve animal welfare, reduce labor-intensive tasks, and boost overall farm profitability. With dairy farming equipment technology, the future of farming has arrived, promising a brighter and more sustainable future for farmers and their bovine companions. In the realm of technological advancements, the agricultural industry has witnessed remarkable transformations, and the dairy sector is no exception. The Lely Astronaut A5 is a pioneering robotic milking system and has emerged as a game changer, offering dairy farmers a more efficient and sustainable future. By integrating automation, advanced sensors, and sophisticated software, the Lely Astronaut A5 has redefined the milking process, benefiting both farmers and their bovine companions. The foundation of the Lely Astronaut A5 lies in its cow-centric design, allowing cows to freely engage in essential activities like eating, drinking, resting, and voluntary milking. The system ensures an obstruction-free entry for cows, empowering them to visit the milking station at their convenience. This stress-free approach guarantees optimal results. As cows enter the robot, their identification tags are swiftly scanned, providing access to crucial information such as milking history, milk yield, and health records. Prior to commencing the milking process, the Lely Astronaut A5 excels in meticulous teat preparation. Each teat is individually cleaned and disinfected, ensuring excellent hygiene standards. Unlike traditional rinsing, the system employs brushes for comprehensive cleaning, reaching areas beneath the teats that are often missed. The absence of a vacuum system prevents milk loss during cleaning and significantly reduces the risk of cross-contamination. The teat cups remain clean, maintaining high quality, while brush cleaning also stimulates the nerves in the teats, optimizing the milking process. The Lely Astronaut A5 boasts advanced sensors and algorithms that intelligently monitor cow behavior throughout the milking process. The system continuously tracks factors like cow activity, feeding patterns, and signs of distress or heat detection. This real-time data enables early detection of potential health issues, leading to timely intervention. Moreover, the Lely T4C management software integrated with the Astronaut A5 offers comprehensive data analysis, allowing farmers to remotely monitor their herd's well-being and productivity. With a focus on sustainability and efficiency, the Lely Astronaut A5 optimizes the milking process. By automating milking procedures, the system minimizes labor requirements, enabling farmers to allocate their time and resources effectively. Furthermore, precise milking techniques maximize milk yield, ensuring profitability for dairy farmers. The integration of external feeding systems such as the Lely Cosmix Concentrate Station and the Lely Vector Automatic Feeding System facilitates targeted feed management, reducing waste and environmental impact. The Lely Astronaut A5 prioritizes milk quality and hygiene. The system's sensors constantly monitor milk flow, safeguarding the milk's quality and integrity. If deviations occur, warnings are triggered, prompting timely intervention. Post-milking, the teat cups are thoroughly cleaned and udder care products are applied to maintain udder health. The system's optional Lely Pura steam cleaning system further enhances hygiene standards, providing a natural and efficient cleaning solution. In summary, the Lely Astronaut A5 represents a remarkable advancement in dairy farming technology. By prioritizing cow comfort, automating milking processes, and harnessing data-driven insights, this robotic milking system has ushered in a new era of efficiency and sustainability. With its ability to optimize milking procedures, monitor cow health, and ensure milk quality, the Astronaut A5 has become an indispensable tool for modern dairy farmers. As the industry continues to embrace technological process, the Lely Astronaut A5. Next is Lely Vector. The Lely Vector machine revolutionizes the way dairy farmers manage their livestock's nutrition, providing a cutting-edge solution that combines automation and efficiency. This innovative system automates the entire feeding process, from the precise measurement and mixing of feed ingredients to the accurate distribution in the barn. With the Lely Vector machine, farmers can ensure that their cows receive the right amount of nutrition at the right time, leading to healthier and more productive herds. One of the most remarkable features of the Lely Vector machine is its ability to optimize feed rations for individual cows. By monitoring each cow's feeding behavior and performance data, the machine adapts the feed composition to meet their specific nutritional requirements. This personalized approach maximizes the cow's health and productivity, ultimately benefiting the farmer's bottom line. The Lely Vector machine takes the guesswork out of feeding, allowing farmers to make data-driven decisions and achieve optimal results. Efficiency is at the core of the Lely machine's design. Its autonomous operation eliminates the need for manual feeding, saving farmers valuable time and labor. The machine works tirelessly day and night, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh feed for the cows. By streamlining the feeding process, the Lely Vector machine boosts productivity, allowing farmers to focus on other crucial aspects of their operations. With this technology, dairy farmers can increase efficiency and achieve higher milk yields, ultimately enhancing their overall profitability. The Lely Vector machine is also a sustainable solution that promotes environmentally friendly practices. By accurately distributing feed portions, it reduces waste and minimizes the impact on the environment. Additionally, the machine's electric-powered operation contributes to reducing carbon emissions, making it a greener alternative to traditional feeding methods. As sustainability becomes increasingly important in the agricultural industry, the Lely Vector machine offers farmers an opportunity to embrace eco-conscious practices while improving their operations. In summary, the Lely Vector machine is a game-changer for dairy farmers seeking to optimize their feeding processes. With its precision, automation, and personalized approach, this innovative system ensures that cows receive the nutrition they need for optimal health and productivity. By streamlining operations, saving time and labor, and promoting sustainability, the Lely Vector machine empowers farmers to take their dairy farming to new heights, ultimately driving success in the industry. Thank you for watching.